welcome to your home school. This is your class 10 mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in our third chapter, pair of linear equations in two variables. This is your exercise 3.2 and your fifth problem. What is this fifth problem? Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden. So let me draw a garden here. Rectangular garden. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden. What do you mean by perimeter, children? Perimeter means sum of all sides. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? Rectangle will be having two dimensions, that is length and breadth. Okay? Length, breadth means sum of all sides. It makes L plus B plus L plus B, that is 2L plus 2B. Okay, that is your perimeter of a rectangle. Half the perimeter it seems. Half of 2L plus 2B. Still something there problem. What is that? Whose length is 4 meters. Understand the question carefully here. Whose length is 4 meters more. 4 meters more means. So let us assume length with X and breadth with Y. Okay, let the two dimensions be length and breadth. Let the length be X and breadth be Y. So what is that point? Whose length is? So let me write here. Let the two dimensions of the garden are length, let us assume it as X, okay, and breadth, let us assume breadth as Y. Okay, the two dimensions are length and breadth, and length is equal to X and breadth is equal to Y, we are going to assume. Now, whose length is? Length is means X is equal to 4 meters more. Observe here, plus 4. Understand the statement carefully? Whose length is 4 more than its width. Okay, breadth or width, okay, no problem. Width, how much here? 4 more than its width. That is Y plus 4. Now, is 36 centimeters. Which is 36 centimeters? There is no meaning at all. What is the question? Whose length is 4 more than its width? Is 36 meters means what? So look here, children. This 36 meters point cut out and place that point after this line. Okay, like this they will confuse you in your verbal problems. There you confuse what I have to do. X is equal to Y plus 4 is equal to 36 I have to write. No, don't do like that. Okay, read the question carefully, understand. So for this one more equation we are going to get. Okay, first equation what we have taken here, whose length is 4 more than the breadth. Okay, let's bring this Y this side or Y this side, X that side also. You can frame any way you can do. X minus Y is equal to 4. Mark it first equation. In this pair of linear equations in two variables, we are going to get two equations, right? So one equation completed. Another equation given. What is given? Half of perimeter. Half of perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 36 meters. Perimeter of what, children? Rectangle. Half of perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 36. Then what is the formula? Half of perimeter. L is equal to X and B is equal to Y, no? 2X plus 2Y is equal to 36. X, Y, perimeter. X plus X, 2X, Y plus Y will be 2Y. Therefore, perimeter of a rectangle is 2x plus 2y. So half of first. So I'll multiply with half. Half, take 2 common. X plus y. This 2 cancels. Is equal to 36, right? X plus y is equal to 36. This is your second equation. Okay. Now we got these 2 equations. What did they ask to find? Find the dimensions of the garden. How will you find? They did not ask you graphically. If you know any other algebraic method, you can find. Suppose if they mention there graphically word there means you have to do these 2 equations solving graphically. Right? So for temporarily up to this exercise we don't know other methods, right? We go with the graphical method only. After knowing all the other methods, that is substitution, elimination, cross multiplication, you can go with any of the method. Until a word graphically there, you can choose any other method. Otherwise, you have to do with the graphical method only. So, I got the 2 equations. So, let's solve graphically. Solving 2 equations. Solving 2 equations graphically. 2 equations graphically. What are the 2 equations here? X minus y is equal to 4. So rewrite in y format, children. Bring this y this side. Y is equal to x minus 4. Okay. So let's take one more here. Another equation. X plus y is equal to 36. Rewrite this equation. Y is equal to 36 minus x. Okay, let's take the table here. Three rows and 4 columns I choose. And this will be same manner, 3 rows, 4 columns. X, y, x comma y, x, y, x comma y. Okay. Now observe the 2 equations. By seeing the equations, you will be able to say now how will be the graph. Either it may be intersecting, coincident or parallel. Observe here x minus y equal to 4, x plus y equal to 36. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 1, are they equal? No, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore, the 2 pair of linear equations will be intersecting graphically. So, intersecting means what, children? You are going to get a unique solution, that is one coordinate. At one point, it will be intersecting. So, shall we guess the intersecting point before doing the graph? How can you guess? Look here. X minus y equal to 4, x plus y equal to 36. Okay. So, let me minus y plus y there. Let me add the 2 equations. Minus y plus y will be cancelled. X plus x will be 2x. 4 plus 36 will be 40. 2x is equal to 40. X will be, yes, 20. So, where do they intersect? At 20. Then what will be the y value? So, look here. If I substitute 20 send the other side. 36 minus 20. It will be 16. Okay, I'll manage to get that coordinate in middle of the table. So now you take any numbers, that side, this side, any numbers you can choose. Suppose let me take here 0, that will be, and one more you can take here, let us take here 24. Anyway you can take, right? So if you feel this is too long, or you can take small one also, you can take. Let it be. So let us solve this. If x equal to 0, y is equal to x minus 4, that will be 0 minus 4 will be minus 4. Okay, this is 0 comma minus 4. And we have to do that also, children. If x is equal to 20, y is equal to x minus 4, directly I will substitute here. 20 minus 4, it will be 16. Yes, 20 comma 16. Let's go with the third one. If x is equal to 24, y is equal to 24 minus 4, that will be 20. Yeah, coordinate is 24 comma 20. Okay, so similarly, let's do one more table. Another table with another equation. So what you are going to take here, x value. Our intersecting point is 20, we know. So before one value, after one value, we are going to take. Let me take here 0. And what you can take here? Let's take 16. Any number. Or 20 below you have taken, no miss, you may get that. You can take any number. So if you feel like that, I may take 30. Okay, 20, 30. Any number you choose. Sometimes you may get a decimal value also. Decimal value also, what is there? You can plot on a graph. Okay, always your answers won't be numbers. Sometimes it may be negative. Sometimes it may be fractions also. Right? So now, let's solve this. If x is equal to 0, then what about y? 36 minus 0 will be 36. So mark here 36, 0 comma 36. Next, if x is equal to 20, y is equal to 36 minus 20 will be 16. Yes, same we got. 20 comma 16. Next, if x is equal to 30, y is equal to 36 minus 30, that will be 6. Mark here 6, 30 comma 6. Okay, let's solve this graphically. Okay children, as you can see your fifth problem. Now we have solved this part on board, right? We are going to solve graphically. Look here on x-axis, what are all the values you have? 0, 20, 24, 0, 20, 30. So our scale should be up to 30. So for that purpose, I have taken on x-axis 2, 4, 6, 8 means every 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units I have taken. Similarly, y-axis. So in y-axis, I need a negative scale up to 4, minus 4 I need. And here 36 I need. So let me adjust my scale here. See here, this scale, however you want, you can drag children from here to here or here like this, you can drag. See the scale here. On x-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. On y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units. Okay, let's start plotting here. First coordinate, 0, comma minus 4. Where is 0, comma minus 4? 0 on x-axis, minus 4 on y-axis. So this is the point, right? Next, 20, comma 16. Where is 20 on x-axis? Here. And 16 on y-axis. Where does this 2 will meet here? This is the point. Next, 24, comma 20. 24 and where is 20? Yes, this is the point. So now, try to join these three. Okay, it forms a line. This is 0, comma minus 4 coordinate and this is 20, comma 16 and one more 24, comma 20. So what is this line equation? X minus y is equal to 4, right? So go to the second equation here. What is your second table? See, for the second equation, x plus y equal to 36. For this, what is the coordinates you have? 0, comma 36. 0, 36 means this is the point, right? And 20, comma 16 already done. 30, comma 6. 30, comma 6. So this is the point. So now let's try to join these three. So look here carefully. You have to draw a line in one sweep. So this is 0, 36, 20, 6, and this is 30, 6. Now, what is this line equation? X plus y is equal to 36. Okay. So now finally what you can say here, children? The two lines, the two pair of linear equations are intersecting at a point. Where is that point? It is at 20, 16, where x-axis, x value is 20 and y value is 16. But in our problem, they asked us dimensions of the garden. So we have assumed the dimensions as length and breadth. Length as x we have assumed and breadth as y we assumed. So therefore, on solving these two pair of linear equations graphically, we get these lines are intersecting at 20, 16. That is x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 16. Therefore, length of the garden is equal to 20 meters and width of the garden is equal to 16 meters. Okay, children, plot this graph carefully. Okay, let's see the sixth one, children. Sixth one, they have given one equation in two variables. One linear equation in two variables. What you need to do? In order to get in your graph, intersecting lines, parallel lines, coincident lines, another equation in two variable you need to write here. Okay, so you know the rules, right? You all can do. What is that? Intersecting lines. What do you remember immediately? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So let me take here x, y, A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 set. So let's take x minus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Any equation. Now observe here, 2 by 1 plus 3 by minus 3 it will be. So look here, 2 by 1 plus 3 by minus 3. Both are not equal, right? So if both are not equal, what type of equations these two? They are intersecting lines. You don't need to doing anything in this main, children. Just you think, guess and write any one another equation. So look here, parallel lines. When they will be parallel? When they will be parallel? When A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So let's write here A1 by A2. So 2 by 4, if cancel 1 by 2 will come now. Similarly, you take 1 by 2 should come, means what I need to write? 6. 6y plus 3 I will write. Means this ratio should not be matched to this. A1 by A2 must be equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Look here, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 minus 8 by 3. 1's, 2's, 1's, 2's. These two are equal and this is not equal. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Yes, these two pair of linear equations form parallel lines. Okay, the lines will form parallel but similar another equation you frame is your question. See the third one, coincident lines. Coincident lines means what, children? All the ratios are equal. How can you take? Let me take here 6x plus 9y. So this will be 24. So observe here, 2 by 6, 3 by 9, minus 8 by minus 24. 8 3s are, 3 3s are, 2 3s are. That means all the ratios are equal. Therefore, the lines formed will be parallel. Like this, not only the equation what I have wrote, children, you can frame any other equation. But the two pair of linear equations should form intersecting lines, coincident lines, parallel lines. See the last problem of this exercise, that is your 7th problem. They have given for us two equations. What are the two equations? X minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. So, by solving graphically, the two lines will be intersecting, it seems. and if they intersect. So what is the question here? The two lines may be somewhere they will be intersecting. Determine the coordinates of the triangle so formed on the x-axis. So where is the triangle here, children? See, this is one coordinate and this is one coordinate, this is one coordinate. Okay, these are the three coordinates. I can see a triangle here. Find the three coordinates, okay, and based on x-axis, children, right? And shade this triangle is your question. Very easy, very simple, right? So let's see here. By solving graphically, by solving these two equations graphically. So let's take the first equation. Consider equation 1. Consider equation 1, that is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So rewrite the equation. Minus y send this side, y is equal to x plus 1. Okay, for this form a table. Form a table here. 1, 2, 3, 4, x, y, x comma y. 0 to 4 I will take coordinates. You can guess answer first only or you can take. So now, if x equal to 0, substitute in this, y is equal to 0 plus 1, that will be 1. Coordinates are 0 comma 1. Next, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 plus 1, that will be 3. Then coordinates 2 comma 3. If x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So the coordinates are 4 comma 5. Okay. So one equation table we have done. Another equation we are going to take. So let's take here. Consider equation 2, that is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Rewrite the equation in y form. 12 minus 3x. Minus 12 if it comes this side plus 12 and plus 3x if it comes this side minus 3x. And 2 multiple divide by 2. So now take the table. X, y, x comma y. 0 to 4. So now, if x equal to 0, y is equal to 12 minus 3 into 0 by 2, that is 12 by 2, that will be 6. Your coordinate is 0 comma 6. So take the next one. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 12 minus 3 into 2 by 2. 12 minus 6 by 2, that will be 6 by 2. That is 3. 2 comma 3. So if x is equal to 4, y is equal to 12 minus 3 into 4 by 2. 3/4 are 12. 12 minus 12, 0 by 2 will be 0. So your coordinates are 4 comma 0. Okay, these are the two tables which we need to draw on graph. So if we draw on graph, how we are going to get, children? You are going to get two lines, right? And those two lines will be intersecting at a point. What is that point? And with that point, you can get a triangle through x-axis. So find the coordinates of the triangle is your question. Okay, let's start in graph. Let's see the 7th problem on graph, children, here. As we have solved, we can see the two tabular columns here. Okay, let's start plotting this tabular columns. See the first coordinate, what you have? 0, 1. Where is 0, 1? 0 on x-axis, 1 on y-axis. Where do they meet? Here. Right? So next one, 2, 3. This is a point. And next 4, 5. Where is 4, 5? Look here, how they are meeting here. So this is the point. 4 on x-axis, 5 on y-axis. Where do these 2 points meet? This is the point. So now take a scale and try to join these. Okay, this is a line, children. So of which equation it is? X minus y plus 1 equal to 0, and write the coordinates 0, 1, 2, 3, and this is 4, 5. Okay, so let's see one more table here. See the coordinate 0, 6. 0 and 6 means this is the point, right? Next 2, 3. 2, 3, same point. 4, 0. So look here, this is a point. So now try to join these 3 points here. So look carefully. Yes. So now write the coordinates 0, 6, 2, 3 already there, and this is 4, 0. So now what is the question here? Determine the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle formed by these lines. You can see the triangle here, right? Where is that triangle? So let me extend this line, children, here. Okay. Now you can see a triangle here. 1, 2, 3 points, right? So see observe the triangle here. What is the coordinates for this triangle? 2, 3, 4, 0, and this is minus 1, 0 on x-axis minus 1. So y-axis value is 0 here. So determine the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle. What are the vertices here? 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 4, 0 are the 3 vertices. Okay, and the x-axis. These lines and the x-axis, and shade the triangular region. So what the triangle you can see here now, you need to shade it. Since however you want, you can shade. So let me take a scale. Instead of shading, I just draw the lines, or with a pen or with a pencil neatly you can shade, children. So look here carefully, what am I doing? So you can see the triangular part shaded here. Now see a conclusion of this problem. On plotting the values graphically, we get 2 lines which are intersecting at 2, 3. The 2 lines are intersecting at 2, 3. That is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Therefore, the triangle so formed on drawing these equations is, so look here, what is the triangle? Let me mark a letter A, and this is B, C you can mark. The triangle so formed on drawing these equations is triangle ABC, and with the coordinates, what are the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle? Are A, 2, 3, B, 4, 0, and C, minus 1, 0. These pair of linear equations has unique solution. These having unique solution means what is actual solution? This is only the solution, x equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. But by drawing these 2 lines, you get a triangle. And what are the vertices of a triangle? Shade the triangle is your question asked. Okay, is this followed, children? Yes, I hope your graphs are very clear, and I need everyone to do graphs neatly and perfectly, right? With this, your graphical exercise is completed, children. And in our next session, we are going to start with the substitution method. Thank you all.